Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to install Abuja ceiling speaker. Do not use the speaker to take the size of the hole on the ceiling. Rather use this packaging carton to measure it just like this. This will give you accurate size of the speaker. Then you cut the ceiling. This is just a suspended ceiling. Cut it this way, all round circle. Then you fix in the speaker just like this. After inserting the speaker into the ceiling, you carefully remove the front metal grill by using a proper pin and adjust the plastic grips. And tighten the wood screws till the plastic grips start gripping the false ceiling. Just tighten like this. And then you place the front metal grill back on the fixed speaker with a gentle push. Please do not force the metal. Gently, just like this. See how beautiful it is? So nice and firm. Well tightened to the ceiling. Then you plug that cable you see in there to any of your amplifier capacity. Mine is using 8 watts, so that's why I plug it there. You now take it to ceiling. Sorry, I won't be able to show you the connection on the speaker right there, but it's simple. With the speaker, the input, then you just take the black cable to the black and then the red to the red. Please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop it on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe and also share. Thank you.